Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse, and in this video today, we're going to take a look at utilizing UTM tracking codes in your social inbox for all of your social conversations and tracking those conversions. If you're managing brands or you're utilizing social media to track activity from your social posts, social conversations, where that activity may lead to a click to your website or a purchase from your online store, UTM tracking codes are probably something you've already implemented within your email, within other marketing activities, and maybe within social. Now, what we're going to talk about specifically today is how you can easily and efficiently implement UTM tracking codes when you're in a conversation with someone socially, whether that's a private message or whether that's a comment on a post. So we're looking at the calendar right now on our dashboard, but we're going to hop right up here to our social inbox, where we're going to look at our conversations. Now, if you have your profiles organized by groups in your menus and group settings, you will have your social inbox organized in that same way as well. And this will house all of the profiles that you've organized and grouped together for that account. Now let's take a look at our LinkedIn profile right here. We've got 3 comments that are live. That means we have not reviewed them or interacted with them yet within Agorapulse. Now, when you're looking at this here, you can sort and filter through all of these conversations that you want to engage with. We're going to engage with this time directly to take a look at how we can implement UTM tracking codes. So in this example, someone has commented. Now they made a comment on a post about some new member rates that we've got coming up. So they're asking for a link back to that URL, asking for a link back to purchase something as another example. So when we're replying back to this user, we're able to give them that URL and add UTM tracking codes just like this. Simply paste in that URL and you're going to see the UTM tracking code option pop up. Now, if you have a default UTM tracker, you'll notice that will automatically default to track. So you will only need to copy and paste if you have a default tracker that you want to use. There's no extra action. Now, if I want to pick a different or specific campaign that we've created, like I think we've got one for our new signups, I want to track that here. You will be able to select other UTM campaign codes. And if you need to edit or tweak a campaign code just to make any adjustments, you can do that right here. Again, these UTM tracking codes will allow you to name the campaign, give a source and medium code, as well as shorten this, whether with your Bitly account or with our Pulsely link shortener. Now, once you've added in those URLs, once those have been tracked through your UTM tracker with the correct campaign, we can reply, whether on this comment or if we want to reply to a personal message, we simply hit send, and that conversation has now been replied to with that UTM'd response. So once we've replied, we can see that that reply is directly here as it is with its shortened URL for that campaign we are tracking. You can also view this natively if you want to check and see how that will look specifically before you start using this and implementing this feature on a regular basis. Now that we are utilizing UTM codes on the publishing side so people can click on those posts and we can track that conversion and that customer journey, we can also do the same thing within the comments right here with the same ease of use. All of that information will be located in your social media ROI reporting, and you'll be able to track and see what is driving the most traffic or what is leading to conversions. So definitely take advantage of those UTM tracking code features in your publishing, and as we just saw, through your social inbox. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more or to watch more about our advanced inbox features, please visit our help center, our website, or start a direct chat with us today.